Hey guys, today we're going to be replacing the left brake lamp in a 2013 ML350. This applies to 2012 and beyond for the MLs and also the GLEs as well. So for the left brake lamp, it's going to be on the other side. You've seen my other video for the right brake lamp. For today, this is going to be the left. So we're going to go to this side, basically the same thing. So let's get this light here. So you take a flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna pop this out. All right, easy peasy. All right, so just you look back there and you'll see the white. You'll see where the bulb goes. This white piece, you're gonna twist it. You're gonna twist it counterclockwise and you're gonna pull the bulb out, okay? So we're gonna pull, let me see if I can get this and show it on video here. So we're gonna twist it. So I twisted it to counterclockwise and I pulled it out. So I pull it out and here you'll see the bulb, okay? Got the bulb right here. Very simple. Okay, goes right in that hole. So again, same with the right. You can go to any auto parts store and get this bulb. I went to Mercedes, it cost me 10 bucks. You can get it for like 5 bucks. So you're gonna replace this bulb with this bulb and wear gloves just so you don't get any oil on the new bulb. Pull this out. All right, just give it a twist clockwise and the bulb will sit in to the seat. And then you're gonna fit this back in the hole like so, okay? And then once it's seated correctly, you twist it back clockwise and it's seated right in. All right, and that's it. Then you take this piece here. Thank you, Addie, you're awesome. And it's got the 2 grooves here. Put the grooves inside here like this, give it a little, and that's it. It'll pop in. That's all there is to it. Then once you start it back up, that message will go away and you're all set. Hope that helped. If so, subscribe.